Today, we are bringing a little bit of Disney magic to your home. Get ready to whip up a crowd pleaser. We are making the irresistible Magic Kingdom cheeseburger spring rolls. These tasty treats will transport you right back to the happiest place on earth, Walt Disney World. Before we begin, we would like to thank our subscribers. Let's start with our ingredients. You will need ground beef, diced onions, dill pickle relish, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, American sliced cheese, spring roll wrappers, dash of salt and pepper for seasoning, and your favorite oil for frying for the rolls. You can use egg roll wrappers if you are unable to get spring roll wrappers where you live. Ingredients for the dipping sauce needed: ketchup, regular mustard, mayonnaise, pickle juice, garlic powder, and onion powder. Heat a skillet over medium to medium-high heat. I like to spray just a little cooking oil. Add 4-cup diced onions into the skillet and sauté until they develop a nice golden brown color. Add 1 pound of ground beef to the pan with the onions. Use a spatula to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. 80-20 ground beef is a fantastic choice for cheeseburger spring rolls because the fat content adds tons of flavor and juiciness to the filling. Cook the meat until browned and no longer pink. Drain the excess grease from the pan and return to heat. Sprinkle in your salt and black pepper to taste. Give it a good stir to distribute the seasonings evenly. Stir in the 1/4 cup dill pickle relish followed by 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard to the ground beef mixture. Stir it well to combine. Make sure the mustard is evenly distributed throughout the filling. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Give everything another good stir to make sure everything is combined. Let the mixture simmer for a minute or two to allow the flavors to blend together. Cut up 6 slices of American cheese into small squares and add to the pan. Stir gently until the cheese is completely melted and combined with the other ingredients. American cheese. It's the perfect melty, gooey addition to our cheeseburger spring roll filling. Now, it is time to make the cheeseburger spring rolls. Lay out 1 spring roll wrapper at a time in a diamond shape facing you. Add about 2 tablespoons of the meat mixture in the bottom of the wrapper. Roll up the bottom corner once, then fold both insides over the roll and roll the remaining wrapper all the way up. Use a little water at the top of the wrapper to seal it and complete the roll. This recipe makes about 12 cheeseburger spring rolls. You can use a fryer or skillet to fry these. I used an electric skillet to make mine. Prepare the oil for frying. You need about 2 inch of oil heated up to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When the oil is ready, place the spring rolls in the fryer or skillet. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until browned. Then flip the spring rolls over to the other side and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until browned. Place the finished cheeseburger spring rolls on a wire rack with a towel or paper towel under to help catch the grease. Let the rolls sit about 5 minutes and flip over to the other side to let the excess grease drain. While the cheeseburger spring rolls cool, begin making the dipping sauce. In a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of regular mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a splash of pickle juice to desired taste, a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of onion powder. Mix everything together until well combined. For a more tangy flavor, add a little more pickle juice. For a richer flavor, add a little more mayonnaise. We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family. Please comment if there are any Disney recipes you would like us to recreate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating!